What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the iPhone 11 Pro against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the A13 Bionic versus the Kirin 980, 4GB of RAM versus 6. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the iPhone 11 Pro. It has a Super Retina OLED display. It's on the latest version of iOS 13. It has the new A13 Bionic CPU and in-house Apple GPU and 4GB of RAM. Then we have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on Android 9 Pie. It has the Kirin 980 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the iPhone 11 Pro wins by 2 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Mate 20 Pro wins by 2 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the iPhone 11 Pro won by 2 points. In round 2, the Mate 20 Pro won by 2 points, which makes the scores tied. As for the price difference, the iPhone 11 Pro costs twice the price of the Mate 20 Pro. Having said that, the Mate 20 Pro is still a very good phone. However, there's the slightly newer P30 Pro and the new Mate 30 Pro with the Kirin 985 CPU, but that is quite troublesome to get a hold of at the moment. So what did you think of this video? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.